Now that you have just 7 days for the exam, so I'll tell you what to do in the last 7 days. Guys, before I start, let me tell you one thing. Even the person who is going to get first rank in GATE 2021, even he will be having lot of tension now. Even he will be having lot of sleepless nights. So it is perfectly normal to be panicking at this time. Don't think that you are alone. Everyone will be having the same fear. The fear of failure will be with everyone. Not just GATE, any exam or anything big, when you are trying for it, there will always be this fear of failure. What happens if I fail, right? And there is no answer for that. Okay, only thing that you can actually remember is the reason why you started it. You have worked hard for almost 1 year and you have covered each and every small detail for the GATE exam. Now what is remaining? Just revision. Okay, in this last 1 week, many people will just give up. Okay, they just will not revise. So guys, in this last 1 week, take the most difficult concepts and you try to revise them. Don't try to learn anything new, that is not required, but at least things that you have already learned long back, like 6 months back, 1 year back, you just try to revise what they are. Okay, trust me, everyone is going through the same phase. Even the first ranker, who is going to be the first ranker, the GATE topper, he will also have the same kinds of fear that you are going to have, right? So fear is normal, and fear is there with everyone. You are not someone who is great. Okay, so everyone is going to have same thing. So let me give you some tips. So first thing is, don't study for long hours, because your mind is going to get what I can say, tired. Okay, so try to break your studies into small intervals. Don't study beyond 3 hours. Just 3 hours continuously. If you study, take a break for 1 hour, sleep or listen to music, and then study for 3 hours, and again 1 hour break. Do that. Okay, don't study for long hours, otherwise your brain is going to get strained. Okay, divide your day, and don't panic if you are very slow. So remember that GATE exam is not about answering fast. Let us say you have answered all the 65 questions in GATE exam. You are not going to get 70 questions or 80 questions. Okay, so you have 3 hours of time. Even if you answer them quickly, still you will not get new questions, right? Therefore, go slowly, not a problem. If you are thinking that you are taking 2 minutes or 3 minutes of time in one question, that is fine. 2 to 3 minutes you can take for every question, right? Don't compare yourself with others if you are slow, right? So ultimately what matters is how many marks are you able to score in 3 hours. It is not like how quickly you answered the questions, right? So that is not the race here. So in this race, if you have to win, you have to go slowly. Remember that speed is not very important, accuracy is important, right? And you don't have to answer all the 65 questions. There can be some margin for error. Even if you are able to answer 45-50 questions, you will still be able to get a good rank. Okay, so remember that. And the next one is, don't procrastinate till the last day. If a subject is very difficult and if you have to revise it now. Okay, don't wait till the last day of the exam. Okay, the day before the exam, just do it now. Don't procrastinate. Already you might have done a lot of procrastination so far. Just avoid it at least in this 1 week. And stay away from social network for this 1 week. One is that it is not helpful, and second thing is it will be distracting and disturbing. Okay, many things that are happening on social networks are actually distracting and disturbing. And also you might feel a little discouraged, or I can say depressed, when you see your friends having fun on social networks, when they post the pictures of their parties, and if you are not able to attend it, you will actually feel low. Okay, so avoid it for this 1 month. So just don't uninstall the Facebook app, Instagram app, or any other social media app, you just uninstall them. Okay. And the next tip is, even if you are topping a subject, don't underestimate, okay, or don't overestimate yourself, and don't stop revising. So revise. Revision is the key. And just try to see how you can use the calculator, virtual calculator. Whenever you get time, there are a lot of videos available online. Just see how you can use the virtual calculator. For computer science, virtual calculator is not very much required, but yeah, if you can do it, that's fine. Okay. Sleep well the day before the exam. This is the most important tip. If you can ask me among all the tips, which is the most important tip, it is the most important tip. Day before the exam, you have to sleep at least for 8 hours. If you don't sleep, your mind will be tired and you will not be able to think clearly. See, even while teaching, I can see the difference. If I don't sleep well and if I am tired, I will not be able to express my thoughts clearly, right? So I made it a practice that I'll make videos whenever I sleep well. If I don't sleep well, I just go and sleep and wake up maybe 1 or 2 hours, and then I start teaching. Okay. So sleeping well is very, very important the day before the exam. Otherwise, you will not think clearly. Okay. So this entire 1 week, just focus on revision and try to give grand test, not subject level test.